Gagawa ako ng pinaka-favorite ko and super special dessert, ang sansrival. First time ko itong gagawin, so let's make it extra indulgent and memorable. First, let's make the dakwa or mirang. Gumamit ako ng 1 cup egg whites, then konting cream of tartar. Ginamitan ko ng hand mixer hanggang mag-start mag-foam. Then gradually, inad ko yung sugar, binit ko siya hanggang maging stiff, gaya nito. Next, nilagay ko yung 1 cup chopped cashew nuts at hinalo ng mabuti. Then tinransfer ko sa piping bag. Gumamit ako ng molder para uniform ang size ng wafers. I bake them in a preheated oven at 250 Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Malalaman mong luto na kapag evenly browned at dry na yung texture. Next, the buttercream. Pinaghalo ko yung 1 cup salted butter, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, at 1 cup all-purpose cream. Winip ko muna on low, then medium speed until stable and smooth. Once na ma-cool down na yung wafer, ready na tayo mag-layer. Yung wafer is 6 inch. Naglagay ako ng konting buttercream sa base, then nilagay ko na yung wafer. Kinover ko ng buttercream on top, then gently press the wafer para mag-stick. After ko ma-layer lahat, in-spread ko yung ibang buttercream just enough to cover. Then sprinkle lang yung 1 cup cashew nuts hanggang fully covered na yung cake. Then tapos na. Ang nice crunchy texture at nutty flavor ng wafer, yan yung nagbibigay ng unique experience habang kinakain mo yung sansrival. Ang name na sansrival means without rival o walang kapantay. And honestly, medyo tricky i-classify, cake ba siya o hindi. Sa Europe, they see it more as a pastry, not really a cake. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, we treat it like a cake kapag sineserve.